Hello, this is Josh from Bioag with your Friday Freebie. Today we're going to be talking about how and when to apply your silica. I use two different silicas, two different ways. I use a nanolyzed silica primarily as my foliar spray in veg. I use a monosilicic acid silica as water on or root drench. This is my favorite way to use these products. You can switch, you can spray with the monosilicic acid and you can water with the nanolyzed. This is just my favorite way of using these products. Spraying my plants with silica strengthens the cell walls, coats the plant with a light layer of silica, which helps prevent anything from attacking the plant, either attaching itself or eating the leaves itself. When I water my silica onto my soil, I get a soil conditioning effect where it reduces the sodium in my medium and also helps reduce the bad stuff being uptaked in my plant, like arsenic. I like to apply my foliar sprays every 7 to 10 days with silica, throughout my veg cycle. In flowering, I stop at the very beginning. If I'm hand watering with my silica, then I will apply it every 7 to 10 days. If I'm using an automated watering system, it's okay I'm watering multiple times a day. I'm just dramatically reducing the amount of silica I'm using per gallon with an automated watering system. The more you apply these products, the less you use per gallon. So if you're on an automated watering system, you're only applying it at a quarter to third strength, whereas if you're applying it hand watering once a week, you're using it at full strength. Thank you for your time. That was your Friday Freebie. Thank you for watching, and you have a great weekend.